Hey folks, my name's Gary Daly and I am America's Deck Builder. Today we're talking about the Ultralox aluminum railing system. Additional items and tools you'll need for installation include cordless drill, a level, tape measure, 3/8 inch hex driver bit, number 2 square drive bit, a miter saw with a non-ferrous blade, 3/16 inch drill bit, pencil, safety glasses. Most of these items can be purchased at any local hardware store. This segment we're going to be talking about the assembly and installation of our 3-inch posts. First we're going to need a post and a post mount kit. The post mount kit is broken down here. We have the post base, post cap, lag screws, and some plugs that we're going to use later to cover those lag screws. First we're going to grab the post and post base. We're going to drop this over the top and we're going to brace it against something so it doesn't spin out of our hand. I'm going to take one lag screw at a time and using a 3/8 inch drive bit and drive it down. Great. Now we're ready to prep the post for our rail sections. To prep the post for railing installation, we're going to need jig, which is purchased separately, and our installation clips, number 2 square drive hex screws, and of course the driver, the number 2 square drive. There's an arrow here that points down. You want to make sure that that's pointing down. So we're going to take the clip and center it in the hole in the jig. Make sure the jig is tight against our post base. We're going to drive a Tek screw in. Let's try to leave the first one a little bit loose so I can straighten it up until the second one is fully seated. Okay. Take the jig off and we're ready to go. And because this is going to be a corner post, I'm going to need a bracket here and a bracket here. So I'm going to roll this, drop the jig on again, grab 2 screws, okay. We're all set to mount this to our deck. Please note, decks which have been built with 45-degree corners will require posts installed so they bisect the 45-degree angle at 22.5 degrees. A separate 22.5-degree attachment kit will be necessary to complete this task. Please see drawing on installation instructions for further detail. All right, we've assembled all of our posts and now we're ready to install them. For installation, we're going to need some fasteners that don't come in the kit. Our recommended fasteners for the post are either screw products, 5/16 by 4. If you want to order them, the part number is CCTX 516-400, or GRK RSS structural screws, 5/16 by 4. With the proper screws in hand, we're ready to put this in. There are 2 starting points for a deck. If a deck has stairs, we always want to start at the top of the stairs. And if it's a deck without stairs, we want to start up against the house at an end post. As we talked about in the last step, we already put these clips on, but we can't put the stair clips on until we've got the stair section configured. So we're going to start here, and we're going to figure our setback from the edge of the deck so that our screws are going to go down and hit something substantial. With a 1/2 inch trim board here and no overhang, I'm going to come back 1.75 inches in each direction. So using my speed square, I can get that measurement and it'll help me square the post up with the deck. I'm good, 1.75 each way. I want to drive these screws in opposite corners first. The next step is to make sure that all the posts are plumb. So, of course, we'll need a level, shims. So it looks like I need to come out this way and out this way. Looks like I got that just right. snap these right off. Okay, we're all set to go around the rest of the deck and install the rest of our posts.